Alright guys, so some of you guys probably would have been wanting to see what's going on with your minis. We've got stock in finally and we're actually ahead of the game. But I just thought I'd show you this. So basically, we've got the AC connected here. This is the standard Starlink brick with extension cable. Runs all the way out. The Starlink Mini. When you get the minis, they come pretty much like this, minus the branding underneath that you see. This is our demo one that we show customers. And then you basically mount this up on your car roof. You plug in the connector, and then you can run your long cable run. That's currently the solution we have for your mounts. We have brackets here that basically this one as an example. You sit on the side like that. Your stainless steel screws go in, they countersink, and then you just drill whichever holes you want to match your roof rack guides where you've got your T-bolts, and that basically is how it mounts on top of your car. We don't pre-drill the holes in the casing, just in case you decide you don't use this, or maybe because you want to offset it, maybe raise the height a little bit, or you want the brackets to sit higher a smidge. So plenty of options there. I've actually got one at the back now that we're actually setting up these magnets for. G'day mate. Oh, there we go, someone's in here. I'll be back with you guys in a second. Alright guys, sorry about that, we just had a walk in. I always get distracted by that when that happens. So as I was saying, you've got these brackets here. I actually went to show this gentleman this new magnet system that well, it's not new. I'm sure you've seen these around before, but this one basically, instead of having what I just explained with your mounting to your roof rack rails or guides, and you can also mount this onto a caravan, guys, so like fiberglass composite roof or aluminium roof. You can use nutserts and silicon. Sikaflex 227 is our go-to if you want something, once it cures, will never come apart. But this is your other option. Basically, your Starlink mounts like so. And you have a magnetized system. We just drill that in basically to your Starlink, and then your Starlink Mini case, and then yeah, basically it just sits like that. You can, these are rubber coated. Each corner has a pulling force of around about 18 kilos. So up to about 80 degrees is what they rate it at. It's good for if you want to place it on top of a car or something like that at camp and you don't want it to move, or some type of magnetic metal surface. But yeah, there you go, there's the options, guys. We do sell these. These don't come in black. We can paint them. That's our demo one, so we painted it in black. But they are basically just 3mm aluminium. And I mean, if you guys have a specific requirement, maybe you want it longer, we also make these in 920s in length. But mainly the 920 ones we use for when you're mounting the V3s. So this is basically a V3 Starlink that's inside this case here. Waterproof grommet. Just comes out to your plug. You plug into your router. The router's still under there, which customer will install. You can buy these as a whole kit ready to go. So basically all they have to do, mount this on their roof with their 920 long angles that we provide, cut them to length, mount them to a roof rack, plug this in, run this into your car and plug this in, or caravan or whatever you want, and then that's it. Switch it on and you're live, and it just sits on the roof. It's weatherproof. It's designed to take, you know, stones and stuff that you might get on the road, debris, protection against just elements. So your Starlink stays inside, all sealed away, safe. Sorry guys, if you need any of these solutions, our website, allterrainaction.com. We're shipping out of Melbourne. Yes, you can come into our office and have a chat if you want. We are available in here by appointment.